Right then. So, what am I looking at for today? High on the list of pairs I have categorized. Firstly, the euro. Let's look at the euro. The euro, if we take this out to a cleaner looking chart, we'll go to the 1 hour. The euro, as you can see, over the course of a number of days, so let's take Wednesday last week. So we've got Wednesday, bulls started moving in. Thursday, Friday, Monday, started to eat into those longs. Tuesday, Wednesday, we made a new low for the week. We moved up, we consolidated, and essentially that's what we've done. Okay. Now we've popped lower on Thursday for a lower close. So, what does this market look like it's doing? Is it going up, or has it broken structure up top? And has it proceeded to come down? Yes, it's proceeded to come down, and it's being trapped below this breakout area. This move here broke this structural point here. And instead of just dropping, we've pumped up into it. This day here was a first red day. This closed higher and this closed lower. So I'm going to trade in line with that drop. And I'm pleased to see that we haven't just continued lower, because this gives us an opportunity to sell high on the day in anticipation of a continuation to the downside to take on potentially this area of support. And what I'm looking for is a 50 pip move on the session, right? So between there, between the highs so far and down here, we've got well within our criteria of trying to make 50 pips on the day out of the euro, right? That's some 60, call it 70 pips ish as it stands. So that's my thesis for the euro. I'm looking for a short. Okay. Now, I'm going to wait, sit on my hands until I get the right price action, and we'll talk about that in the members group and see what the market gives us. We're then going to do it at timings, 8 o'clock, 8:15. I'll have to go to 15-minute chart to do this properly. 8:30, 8:45, 9 o'clock. At one of those timings on a lower time frame, I'm looking for certain price action that will indicate to me that we are in for a move to the downside. Okay, so we might pump up, who knows? I don't know. That might be the high of the day, no idea. But that is essentially what I am looking for. So that's the euro. Right, let's look at Swiss yen. Swiss yen, same scenario. Yesterday closed lower, we've pumped up. Now I'm looking for the market to move down into these longs. So we've had a low on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, first red day out of a series of green days. We've pumped up, up, and up, and up, taken out stops, and I'm looking for a drop to the downside. So our first area of support is going to be in here, and then below there, in here. So those are my targeted areas for today. Same scenario with Euro Swiss, pretty much exactly the same setup. Okay, so looking to sell rallies at the appropriate time. We're now in the kill zone between 8 and 11, looking for these setups. Now, on the opposite, we've got silver, right? After a series of down days, we've got this up day. We've dropped lower, so we're dumping, and I'm looking for the pump in line with that recovery from the prior day. So what are we targeting? We're targeting up here. We're targeting in here. We want to get on the front side, the back side rather. So where is that? So that's the line in the sand for me is going to be here. So if we can get above that resistance, then I'm looking for longs. Same scenario for gold. We're on the front side of the bear trend. That's fine. We need to get on the front side. So a break of here, which looks like we're trying to do already, will put us in good stead for a prospective long for the day ahead, in line with yesterday's upside that broke all of these days of shorts. So we've got shorts to target from down low, and we're looking to get involved in the market once we start breaking structure. And then we've got some lower quality let's bear with it as I mark up this chart. We've got some lower quality signals in oil, sterling yen, and CAD, but we've got enough on our plate with everything that's looking good here. So we'll just stick to the stuff that's looking good. All right, so we are so that is a bullish trend still until we start breaking structure. I mean, if we go into a lower time frame, I'd say that we've already broken, not quite. You might want to call that structure there. Let's say if we can get back below there, then it's looking quite good for a short. Should mark that green for being a support structure. Sterling Swiss. Looks like we're already in a broken down market here. Let's call that the level. We'll mark it off as a supporting level. Made a new high here, not quite. So if we can get back below there, then that would be an interesting development. All right, so that is the watch list in terms of things that are looking pretty hot for today.